Welcome to Awesome Product Reviews. My name is Maxwell and I am your host. Today we're going to be reviewing something new from Easy Digital TV. As a way to cut costs from skyrocketing cable bills, you can now go back to over-the-air broadcast using this digital TV antenna system. Using the standard coaxial input on your TV, you'd simply connect this end right to the back of your TV, mount this up on a wall or on a window up nice and high, preferably facing towards your local TV station antennas, and then you will be able to pick up some great TV. Moving to the back, you're going to look for this port, and this is where the cable line will typically connect. Remember, we're going to be cutting the cable and replacing it with the digital TV antenna. Installation is a breeze. All you have to do is put it in place and screw it on. Now after it's connected, you may be wondering why you're not hearing any sounds or you don't hear any TV coming up yet. Don't forget, because you have to first do a channel search on your menu system. Now that your antenna is connected, come back to the front of the TV, and what we have to do is position this in a high enough place to be able to receive some broadcast. Every TV is slightly different. You have to find the menu system on your TV and then run that channel search. On this particular TV, it's called channel tuning, but it's the same thing. Channel search, channel tuning. You're going to click on that, do an auto tuning. We're going to scan through all the different channels and start. Depending on where you are and where you live, you're going to have a different amount of channels available. The closer you are to a major city, the more over-the-air broadcasts you're going to be able to pick up. The farther you are out into rural locations, the lesser amount you're going to be able to pick up. Now, there is a website that we can go to find out exactly what broadcast that you can find, but this would be more of a general guideline. Here at this location, the website only states that we're able to pick up 2 stations. But as you can see, we've already got 18 channels found. One optional accessory that Easy Digital also offers is their Amplifier system. You connect this end to the connection on the back of the antenna itself, and then this would go to the back of your TV. Now, most modern TVs also have a USB port, so you can plug this into the USB, or if you have your own USB adapter, plug it into the wall to power it up, and this will increase your general radius by about 30%, 40%, up to 50 or 60 miles of reception. That's amazing. We have 18 total channels found. That is just with the antenna by itself. Now I'm going to plug this in and see how much more that increases. The amplifier is now powered up, as you can see by the green light. Let's redo that channel search and see how many more channels we pick up. Positioning of the amplifier doesn't matter. It is still only based on the antenna itself. The channel stations that are available to you may differ based on where you're located. There is no specific set amount of channels or specific stations that go over the air. You can receive CNN, ABC, Fox, depending on what stations happen to broadcast in your area. Our new channel search is complete, and as you can see, we have 31 channels now, so that's an increase of 14 channels using that little amplifier. An excellent improvement, if you ask me. So now we have 31 channels of free over-the-air broadcasting without being connected to any cables or any recurring monthly bills. All you do is pay for your digital TV antenna one time, and now we have 30 channels. Remember that positioning of the antenna is extremely important. The higher you are closer to a window facing towards a TV station, the better. You'll notice that when I cover up the antenna or drop it down really low, we'll lose a little bit of the transmission. Bring it up nice and high or position it close to a window, and you get clear TV. So there you have it, folks. An awesome way to cut the cables, save some money using Easy Digital TV's antenna and amplifier system. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on Awesome Product Reviews.